Amazon is trying to go green. The internet giant offering up a new delivery option, and here to tell us all about it from the Fox Business Network studios, our good friend Tracy Carrasco. Hi, Trace. Happy Friday.
Good morning. Happy Friday to you, too.
All right, so how does this work? So Amazon is trying to reduce the number of times they're coming to your house. Is that right?
Yes, it's trying to reduce the number of packages that come to your house, the number of times their delivery drivers have to come to your house. This new service is called Amazon Day. It is for Prime members. You don't have to do this, but essentially if you order a lot of things from Amazon, say you get a package every single day, this new service will let Amazon hold all of those packages until one single day where you select to have Amazon deliver the packages on that day. So you get just one big order rather than several orders throughout the week. So what this does, not only will it cut down on shipping costs for Amazon, but as you said, yes, this will help out the environment. So it is optional if you want to order something and you need that to arrive within 2 days, like the standard delivery that comes with being a Prime member, you are still able to do that. Amazon said they've been testing this out. It has been successful, and that they've really seen a decrease in the number of packages being sent out.
All right. I think it's a great idea. All right, Trace, we'll have to wait and see. And do we know when we can actually sign up? Is it like something we can sign up for right now?
I believe you can sign up and do it next week.
Okay.
I think that's when the date I saw, yes.
All right,
so,
great.
I think it's a good idea, too.
Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Everybody's got to work together to save the planet. Great to see you, Trace. Thank you.
You too. Bye-bye.